Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showcasing my Sticks on Fire or Euphorbia Tirucalli. I've had this plant, or this cutting rather, for about a year now. It originally came from my mom's plant, and her plant is just absolutely huge, as you can see here. And I took a cutting from it, potted it up, and it's doing just wonderfully. And right now, with the Arizona summer and the heat coming on, I've placed my plant out in the balcony. You can see by the shadows that the sun is starting to hit my north-facing balcony more. So I have it right up against the ledge there where it gets morning and midday sun. And that has prompted the color change in this plant. It's basically stressed from the heat and the sun, but stressed in a good way, in that it changes its color from the green to yellow, orange, and in some cases a very deep red. This plant I water about once a week. If it gets really hot here when we're over 100 degrees, I check it in the middle of the week and maybe give it a little bit more water. But once a week does it just fine. It's in well-draining soil in this pot, and I have not had any issues with it as far as root rot or anything. This is the way it looks now in mid-May, but let me show you how it looked back in January when I had it inside. This is a plant that's very versatile. You can have it inside or out. So in the wintertime, I brought it in and it reverted back to its green color. So if you decide to have it inside as a house plant, it will be this green color, which is perfectly nice. I think it looks beautiful just as it is here. And in the summertime, you can put it outside, and the heat and the sun will stress it and give it that orange, red, or yellow look to it. And it's really a wonderful plant. When it's inside, I do water it less, probably about every 2 weeks, maybe every 3 weeks. But it's still in that well-draining soil in this pot, and with the less watering, it should be fine. So as you can see, it's a very versatile plant. If you don't have one already, highly recommend you're getting this plant. Thanks so much for watching today, friends. I so appreciate your help and support, and have a blessed day.